a sweet potato burger bowl that is packed with flavor and perfect for fat loss. We've got our crispy sweet potato fries, our juicy mushroom and walnut beef, fresh toppings, and we're even making our own dill pickles from scratch. Let's get into it. We're starting with our homemade dill pickles because they need time to marinate. I'm using fresh cucumbers, garlic, dill, and a tangy vinegar brine. It's super easy and no fancy equipment is needed. Once everything is in, pop on the lid and let them sit for at least an hour or overnight for an even better flavor. Now let's move on to the beef. For our plant-based beef, we are blending mushrooms and soaked walnuts for that perfect meaty texture. To a pan, sauté up some diced onions and garlic cloves, add in tomato paste and the walnut mushroom meat and season with onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. For a deeper color, add in a few drops of browning, and for an even bolder flavor, you could also add in some liquid smoke. No burger bowl is complete without crispy sweet potato fries. Crinkle cut just so happens to be my homemade favorite. I'm tossing these in a little avocado oil, garlic powder, salt, and cumin, baking them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until they are perfectly crispy. Now, let's assemble. Now we're building our bowl, starting with fresh greens, topping it with crispy sweet potato fries, our juicy mushroom walnut meat, diced red onions, cherry tomatoes, our homemade dill pickles, and finally topping it off with a quick chipotle aioli. I mean, look at that. Doesn't it make you want to eat? This bowl is flavorful, hearty, and definitely satisfying. If you try this recipe out, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Now remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.